Have you factory reset your phone and suddenly realize all your contacts are gone? Don't panic just yet. In many cases, your contacts aren't actually deleted. They're often stored in your Google account, your Samsung account, SIM card, or a cloud backup. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your contacts after a factory reset using a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're using another Android phone, don't worry, the steps are very similar and I'll point out any differences. Let's get your contacts back. A factory reset removes data stored directly on the device, but contacts that were synced to a Google account or Samsung account usually survive the reset because they are stored online. So that's why the first thing you need to do is to check whether your contacts were being synced before the reset. Okay, let's start with the most common recovery method on this S25 Ultra. Go to settings and now to accounts and backup. And then to manage accounts. Okay, make sure you're signed in to the same Google account you used before the factory resets. Okay, now tap that Google account, tap sync now, tap this, and what else? Okay, so now make sure contacts is turned on. Make sure contacts is turned on. Okay, tap the three dots if available. Tap these three dots. Tap this here. Tap these three dots and then to sync now. Okay, give it a few moments. Now open the Google give it a few moments and then you open the contacts app. This is the contacts app. Open this, right? If your contacts were stored in Google contacts, they should begin appearing automatically. Okay, so this is especially useful if you upgraded to a new phone, you perform the factory reset to fix software issues, or you accidentally reset the device without checking your backups first. So many people think their contacts are gone forever when they are actually stored safely in their Google account. Method 2, check Google accounts directly. So if contacts don't appear, right, open the contacts app. So this is the contacts app. Tap your profile picture. Tap your profile picture up here. That. Tap this and verify you're viewing the correct Google account. You know, there are different accounts here. Make sure you're viewing the correct Google account. You can also visit Google Contacts. You can actually use a different phone, like on another device, and check whether your contacts are stored there. So if you see them online, they are recoverable. Make sure the same Google account is signed into your phone. Method 3, Samsung Cloud Recovery. So if you own a Samsung phone, go to settings on your phone, on your Samsung phone, then to accounts and backup again. Here, accounts and backup again, and then to restore data. This should be under the Samsung Cloud, this section we're talking about. So you tap this restore data and select your Samsung account. Select and then choose contacts. You see, this is contacts. Choose this, right? Tap if it's unselected, select it, right? And now to restore and that, and you click restore. So select your Google account, choose contact, tap restore. So Samsung Cloud backups can often restore contacts even if they weren't saved to Google. So method 4, check SIM card contacts. You know, some users save contacts directly into their SIM card. Now open the contacts app again. This is the app here. Open the app, right? And tap the menu, right? Tap the menu. Okay, so tap the menu if your phone if your thing has that. Otherwise, in this Samsung Galaxy S25, tap this where it says organize, and then look for manage contacts, or restore contacts, right? So now from here you can choose to import or export contacts. Okay, here there is no SIM card on this phone. On this, actually, it uses eSIM. So you can choose to import or export contacts, and you select import from SIM card. So if contacts were stored on the SIM, they will appear here. All right. Now for other Android phones, Pixel, Motorola, or what have you, other Android phones, go to settings, go to accounts, select Google, choose account sync, enable contact sync, then open your contacts app and allow time for synchronization. So most Android phones use the same Google contact system, so recovery is usually identical. So what if there were no backups? What if there was no backup? If contacts were only stored locally on the phone and there was no Google Sync or Samsung backup, or maybe same storage or whatever, recovery may not be possible after a reset. So that's why it's important to keep contact syncing enabled at all times. So that's what is how to prevent this in the future. Here is the best way to avoid losing contacts again. Go to settings. Okay, let me demonstrate it again. Go to I have a separate video on how to back up your phone. Look in my profile and find that video, how to back up. I will just narrate it. Just go to settings, accounts and backup, manage accounts, Google accounts, sync accounts, turn on contact sync. This ensures new contacts automatically back up to your Google account. Even if your phone is lost, stolen, damaged, or factory reset, your contacts can be restored in minutes. Hopefully your contacts are back. All right, so now let me know your phone model in the comments and I'll help you find the exact recovery settings for your device. And if this video helped you recover your important contacts, don't forget to like and to subscribe and to share with someone who might need it. See you in the next one.